Ejemi wa pulugiyom, iwa pulugiyom. Ejemi wa pulugiyom, iwa pulugiyom. Opule buda iyom, iwa pulugiyom. Onyege buli iyom, iwa pulugiyom. Okpoko bulie iyom, iwa pulugiyom. Agame buli iyom, iwa pulugiyom. Obumo butu iyom, iwa pulugiyom. Bagay. Bagay. This your leg needs a bubonso. See I see they dance like a madman leg. Don't worry, huh? Jesus will heal you. Maggie, don't worry. Before 3 p.m., your leg will heal.
How did you know my name? I thought you're a madman.
Negi mad. Nagi mad. Your entire generation plus you. Mad. Leave here. Leave here. Bagay. Chia akumata na agba anya mmiri. Ka karaka o. Adiga fella.
Oh, greetings, Nai Jago.
Nai, good day, sir.
You are very welcome.
Thank you, Nai.
You know I won't give you this because I know your brand.
Nai, thank you.
Nai Jago, you sent for us.
Sure I did. You know that my brother's son.
Which one are you talking about?
Ha, and a joke. How many had he before he died?
Okay, you're talking about that one at Umaba Road that is healing people.
Bagam.
The one that just healed a woman with a broken leg.
Exactly. Yes.
Bagam. I want us to start using him for business. Yes. You know he's a great healer. And he heals all manner of sicknesses.
Ichago, I feel you. I feel you. But just let the cat out of the basket.
So what I want you now to do is, from henceforth, I want you to protect him. Don't let anybody go close to him. Anybody who wants healing from him now, we have to go through me. Consult me. Drop some kusa in the name of tithe and offering. You know, nothing goes for nothing.
So what you are saying now
is
that from today we should be his cats.
Bagam.
And we will never take away our eyes off him.
Bagam. And I will, you know, nothing goes for nothing. I will compensate you heavily and handsomely.
Ima ni isi akpụkpa na-eri mmanụ nụ. Ima na ọ na-eri mmanụ.
Focus. Ichago, you have spoken well, eh? We have heard you. Go do it like that.
Yes, exactly.
Focus.
Dikeh came.
Ichago.
Boom, 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 ish, boom, 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 boom.
Let's come inside now.
No, leave me. Leave me to praise God. Chineke ka asigi kakang 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 ish. Chineke boom 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 boom. Chineke ka.
Hey, Oma, pull up your head.
No. I'm thanking God. I'm thanking the maker and creator of our forefathers. Lala, do you know him?
Yes.
You know him?
Yes.
Lala, you don't know him. You don't know Olisabinigwe. You don't know Ugwanariatweku Ogaranyangadanga. You don't know him. You have to praise him with me. When I sing, you answer.
It's okay, princess. At least listen to your mother, okay? I know him. Can't you see the sun is too much? And it can be dangerous to your skin. Please, let's go in. Maybe you resume tomorrow. Don't worry.
I want to see my congregation.
They'll be here tomorrow for you.
Thank God.
It's okay. Let's go inside. It's okay. They'll be around tomorrow. Believe me, they'll be around tomorrow. Let's go inside.
Tell them bye-bye.
Everybody getting wild.
Bye-bye. See them tomorrow, right? Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my subjects.
I don't know. What is the meaning of this?
The meaning of this is that I am now the Igwe and you are my subject.
Adoibo, how many times have I warned you not to play with the crown and throne of Umuamalan? How many times? Hmm?
Ten times. You have warned me not to play with the crown. But wait. You are my subject. Why will you warn me, the king, not to play with the crown?
Give me that crown. Give me the crown. Adoibo, give me the crown. Give me the crown. I said, give me this crown. Hey, there's no man acting like this place. Eh? Come here. Come back here. Adoibo, come here.
Princess! Bring the crown!
Come here.
Hey! Your Highness!
Oh,
Your Highness!
give me this now.
Oma, please come and help me. Oh yeah, get up.
Sorry.
Get up.
Sorry, Your Majesty. Sorry.
It's okay. Sorry.
So sorry.
I'm sorry. Sorry, I'll massage you inside.
Sorry, Your Majesty.
Everybody getting wild. What do we do? What do we this? What do we do? Nobody normal. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Everybody getting wild. What do we do? What do we this? What do we do? Nobody normal. What do we do? This is what about
that guy. This is Gary. The guy watched. Balanced diet. Oh yeah, Nata Gary. Natako. That guy. Sit down. Nara, why are you looking at me as if you have not seen balanced diet before?
Hi! The way Omaziagu treat this young man is not good at all. But look at every grown man. Look at him. I don't understand why. Why you should not be taken to move them for going up on the other. He practically abandoned him to his fate. No one knew for that matter.
My guy. Okafor, go and prepare your bed this night. Because an important and unavoidable visitor will pay you an unexpected and unavoidable visit. Bagay.
The prophet of our dispensation. I don't understand what he means by important and unexpected visitor will come to me. This is why I don't like it. I told you I don't want to come here. You see? He's always embarrassing people. I disagree with you, Mazuka. I can say, the young man has not embarrassed anybody. Better think of what he has just told you. You never ask him, hey, you don't like it, you don't like it.
Bagay.
Think of what? What do you expect from a madman like this? Now, come,
Jump and pass. Let Kai
jump and pass off here.
Jump.
The one is I have pass over. I'm pound. I'm parring.
Opo muwa. Allah fam. Oh, give back fam. Ndiko japa.
I'm pound. I'm parring.
You go seek it for head, yeah. Na crazy what do we do? Na crazy what do we do? Everybody getting wahala, oh. Na crazy what do we do? Na crazy what do we do? Na crazy what do we do? Nobody normal, oh. Na crazy what do we do? Na crazy what do we do?
Oma! Amaka.
Your Highness.
Let's go.
Oh, wait. Where are you going? I'm asking you, all of you, where are you going?
Ask as if you don't stay in this village.
I don't stay in this village. You've not answered my question. I said, where are you going?
I'm going to see your yum.
What? That lunatic.
Point of correct language. My Oyom is not a lunatic.
Go inside the house. Oma, take her inside the house this minute. Okay. If she wants to go anywhere, go and call Egede to drive her to the place. Okay. You heard me?
Yes, sir.
Immediately.
My princess, you heard Lolo.
Lolo is commander-in-chief. I am second in command. You obey my orders or...
My princess, I obey your orders. But Lolo has given an order. Or do you want me to lose my job? And then we'll lose our friendship. Eh? Beautiful princess of this great kingdom. We won't be friends again. Is that what you want?
Who is going to sack you?
Lolo and Igbo.
Can't collect it.
Hey, you see why I like you. Now you have come. Amaka, please call Egede. Fast. Eh? Ah, I'm beautiful. See why I like you.
The death of Mazo Kafo.
You're
The death of Mazo Kafo is painful.
very painful. Do you know that the Ale brother's son told him about his death? He never took him serious.
Is that so?
Yes. The boy said that he should go and prepare for an unavoidable visitor. I even thought it was a joke.
Away.
Alomelo.
Anyway, that boy is God sent to this community. You know, he cures all manner of diseases and sicknesses.
But the way you abandoned him is not fair. Considering his predicaments, you are the father and mother he has left.
It's not as if I abandoned him. The problem is that he inherited madness from his father.
Wait, you mean your brother, the one I knew too well?
Am I talking of your own brother? I'm telling you that my brother was somehow mad. You know, there are kinds of madness. We have Ara Kam. We have Arantamu. So it is in their blood. And there is no Ngwatarism for him.
Ago. You have to do something. Do something to help him.
I think you are right there. You are right there. Anyway, I have made plans on how to create wealth from his spiritual abilities.
How?
Right now, every sickness now has a price. Madness, for instance, is 100,000 pium. HIV and S, the same 100,000 pium. Then these other small ailments, Each of them has his own price.
Ago. So you have meter where you weigh sickness, madness, and their prices because your late brother's son spiritual abilities. It's unfair.
It's not. It's not. The thing is that nothing comes from nothing, and everything today is business. He cures the same madness the pastors claim to cure, and he cures in the name of Jesus, not in the name of Amadio.
Maziago, are you now a pastor?
But my brother's son, what's the difference between him and the pastors? The same 10 and 10 pence.
Hey! Ago. So you now prefer using him to make money instead of finding solution to his problem?
Abama.
Palega pale.
Abama.
Palega pale.
Go and get your anchoncho ready.
What?
In case you want to come for healing.
Back to sender. Back to sender.
So you are afraid of sickness and umole and in eh? So where are you going?
To my house, of course.
Why not wait? Let me give you cola.
Hold your cola. Hold it. You don't take it. I don't need it. You
will take cola. Look at his head. Is your pure or mango? Hey! Nah. No. Yeah? No. This one, you came in the hot sun. I hope he's well.
Huh? You speak as if you have gone blind. Can't you see the condition of
my brother, you know this Ogogoro can blindfold somebody. As it is now, I can't even see beyond my nose.
I actually came to know how much it will cost me to cure my daughter.
Okay. Okay, Elephanto. Elephanto is 20,000 pium.
Ago, please. 20,000 naira is too much, please.
What is 20,000 pium compared with this ailment? You know, this is the ailment meant for elephants. Yes, that's why it's called elephantiasis. That's what your daughter has acquired. So, I mean, 20,000 is, I mean, it's nothing compared with this. Eh?
Please, I have only 10,000 naira. Please help us. I don't have 20,000. Please.
No, please help us.
Anyway, you pay the balance later.
Please help us.
Hey, bring what you have. Later you pay the balance.
Okay.
Later you bring the balance.
Let me give you what I have now. 10,000.
Okay.
Okay. It's complete. It's complete.
But the balance is very, very important. So make sure you bring the balance. She'll be fine.
Thank you very much. Won't you come with us?
Mbano, my boys are there. And once you get there, they will assist you. Thank you.
The balance, the balance.
Thank you.
Thank you. Don't forget the balance.
Papa is paining me.
Sorry.
Papa is paining me.
You'll be fine, you'll be fine. Provided you pay the balance.
Thank you.
Very important.
Thank you.
Hey. Boko. May this your madness continue. May it advance from Arantamu to Arakankankam so that money will be flowing in. Hey, Wale! Ah!
We're almost there. It's okay. Sorry. I know it's good. I see at the place.
Hey. Hold on there.
Now who will not be?
Hold on there.
Please, I don't want any more stress. I've had enough of it today. Please.
Iche. Wait till we dey yarn you now. You need to enter your head, Abi. You think we are here to play?
You better carry this living dead where you carry come here, come out too.
Are we here to play?
What's the problem? What is your problem?
Shut up. Wait, Iche. Do we look like people that have problem? Now you get problem. Now you get score. Now because you get problem, now you make you carry yourself come this healing ground for solution.
Look, I have paid for the services of the treatment of my daughter. Please, I don't need any obstruction. Please.
Then everything will happen now. You're supposed to settle us.
Settle?
Settle us.
Settlement. Chinwe.
Papa, you should pity me now, please.
Please now, please pity my daughter Chinwe now.
Are we here to play? What is happening now?
Please have me, sir.
Nobody's answering Messi here. I can do fast now.
Please.
Joe! Man.
Now you come.
Now you don't come.
Make you butter, sir. This sickness where you carry come here. You know go ever follow you go in Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen.
Your problem is solved.
Match. I'm keen to make you butter, sir.
Think we are here to play, Abi?
Please calm down. Please calm down. Please, I've followed the right protocol. I've given your uncle the sum of 10,000 naira for the treatment of my daughter Chinwe.
Yes.
Please.
Who is your uncle?
Mazi Agu.
Bagam. If you don't leave here now, Bagay, I will invite my shareholders, demons of darkness, to share you.
Please have mercy on my daughter now.
Come here! Lydia! Nada! God forbid that my madness will reach the level of your own madness. Am I mad? Wait. Am I mad? Nara. In fact, I will go to Bayan tomorrow. And when I reach there, oh yara. What is madness? Madness will should make it happen.
Listen. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me, my princess?
Igwe, what did I do?
What is this? Eh? What is this?
My pants and bra. Do you like any one of them? I can give you.
That's what I say. It's getting out of hand.
I told Oma I wanted to wash them myself.
Where is that Oma? Oma! Oma! Where is that Oma? Come here.
Your Highness.
What is this?
Igwe, I'm sorry. Your Highness, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. You should be sorry for yourself. You should be sorry for yourself. I employed you here to be a friend to the princess and a guide because of her mental inabilities. And you're telling me you're sorry. Eh? Where is Amaka?
She went out with the queen.
Get all this out of this place. Get this rubbish out of this place. I did let this baby first and last time. Do I make myself clear?
Igwe is angry. Oh, Father.
You see what I'm talking? You see what I'm saying? You see what I mean? Take her out. Take her out of this place.
I'm very sorry, Your Highness.
Take her out of this place. How much you be like?
What is wrong with you? Why did you do that to your father?
Is it wrong to give the king a gift?
No, it's not wrong to give the king a gift. But it is wrong to hang your undies on the king's neck. What was that? Was that supposed to be a garland?
Why are you talking like that?
I am talking like this because the king is angry with you. Because of the kind of gift that you give to him. My princess.
You know I don't know when I do the things you say I do. Something stronger than me controls me and makes me do things that I don't want to do.
Don't worry. Don't let it bother you. Everyone knows that you're not.
That I'm insane. I want to ask the Igwe for forgiveness.
No, my princess, not immediately, not now. The king is very angry and might not listen to you. So calm down. You'll tell him sorry later, okay? For now, come with me and let me take you into your chamber.
Come with me. Come.
Thank God. Thank God that I met you at home today. Just go inside and give me my money now.
Ichie, why are you so angry with me?
Maziagu, what brings me to your house in this hot sun is nothing but my money.
Which money are you even talking about? Did you give me any money to keep for you? Which money? Which money are you talking about?
The 10,000 naira that I gave you for the healing of my daughter. Where is it?
The money is for your daughter's elephantiasis. And no refund of money after payment.
You lied. You must refund my money. No DBI can stop it.
Do you have juju in your mouth? Look at the man I thought that has come to give me the balance. Eh? You are the person owing me. And you are here talking about money. What money? What money are you talking about?
You must give me that money. Oh.
Leave my house.
You must give me that money.
Leave my house.
If that is the way you go about deceiving other people, you will not succeed to deceive me.
You know what? You know what? Go and bring your daughter. Let me fetch her back with the elephantiasis my late brother's son cured her of. Then I refund your money.
You see yourself? You see yourself? Your late brother's son did not heal my daughter of anything.
But the news is all over the place.
I beg, give my money.
Get it. Okay.
Give my money.
Okay, when you are through with your ranting.
Where do you think you are going?
Go your way.
Give my money, oh.
Which money?
Give me my money.
Bring back your daughter. Bring
My
your daughter. Elephant, is it a small thing?
Okay, I'm coming.
Look, even Christian hospitals these days.
I'm coming.
Every Christian hospital collects money for healing instead of bringing my balance. Is there talking about money? Is there any free food anywhere in the world, even in Freetown? Go to Christian hospitals, you pay through your nose. Why must our own be different? Eh?
They go now. They go, madam, they go. Don't go back there.
Oh, my money don't finish because of this sickness. Nobody wants to talk to me. Hospital don't chop my money finish.
See, madam, not only you waka come abi. Your condition is pathetic, but this one, you no fit do anything. No.
In fact, we are sorry for your sickness.
See, madam, see. Make we just cap you the whole thing now. You understand? You see, for that place, now we be government and judiciary. We get rules and regulations when they govern that territory.
Now who be the rule and regulator for that place? Make I go there.
Come. Wait, madam. So all the things why the cap since they enter your head at this? See, now waka go meet Maziagu. Make you go pay the money before you come for your healing.
The person where I go see, I see una here, make una help me now see your book. I beg. Una want to see if you can do it.
Yeah, chere. How you think that is impossible? Eh? You won't make we allow you go see Oboko. It's not possible. Now it's not possible.
See my condition. Make I go see Oboko.
Come back here.
You Steph, look at our own condition, make you help us. Look at our job, make you help us. Abi, you won't make we lose our job?
I'm not going to lose your job. You're not going to lose your job. You're not going to lose your job. Make you help me.
So now, I can't go meet Mazi, me pay the money.
God bless you now.
God again. Now God will go chop. Eh? You won't put sand for our gari. See, go do what my colleague tell you. You hear me so? If Mazi Agno talks to me, we allow you go for your healing. We don't allow you. You dey hear me? Just gawa.
Go meet her, make you pay the money first.
Don't come back here again. No, come back here.
Come the place.
If I see you again, you put that.
Am I not beautiful enough for you?
My princess, have you forgotten who you are? You are the princess of this great kingdom. Hey! Achalugonwanyi. Enenebejolu. Asanwa. Well, my princess, I want to ask you a question. Why are you longing for a man that is insane? My princess, Boko is not your match.
I don't blame both of you. You won't understand. Something strong pulls me to him. And I don't even want to know whether he is mad or sane. My heart delights in him. Yo, I love you so.
That madman. Jealousy! 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 That is what is worrying both of you! Jealousy! Because he did not choose any of the two of you.
Oh, it's true. A madman cannot marry the princess of this kingdom.
Jealousy? Enough! Enough! This is my throne! And I command you subjects, go on your knees! Kneel down! Kneel down! Kneel down! Kneel down!
Sorry.
Kneel down. And apologize.
We're sorry.
Apologize.
We're sorry.
Please,
we're
sorry.
Please, we're sorry. Sorry.
Forgive
us.
Apologize!
We're sorry. Sorry.
Sorry, my friend. Please forgive us. Hey. We're sorry.
Forgive us. Please forgive us.
Both of you tell yourselves you are stupid.
We're stupid.
Again, stupid. Again, stupid.
We're stupid. We're stupid. We're stupid.
Then, over 10. Lie down! Down! This is my kingdom. My throne. My subjects. Wait. Stop there. Stop. Stop there. Who commanded you to release? Runaway soldiers. Say sorry.
Sorry, Your Majesty.
Again?
Sorry, Your Majesty.
Again?
What's the meaning of all this? What's going on here? What is this? Princess. Organic. Oma, Igbo wants some tea.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Organic princess.
Rebels. There are rebels in this camp. Oh no. I give you my mantle of authority. Judge this case.
Don't let her push you aside. Keep following her.
Nobody normal. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Everybody getting wild. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Nobody normal. What do we do? This world bad. Na people make them mad. This world right. Na people make them right. Everybody for this world, they suffer something. If you no sick it for body, you go sick.
Oma! Oma!
Yes, my princess.
What are you doing?
I'm making tea for Igbo. Tea? Yes. Tea? Yes.
Let's go and make it together.
Why are you looking so downcast?
The princess sent me out of the kitchen. That she wants to make the Igbo's tea.
What? Are you allowed her to do that?
What I do? She ordered me out.
God. The Igbo will not be happy with this.
Oh, I tried to resist her, but she used the royal order now. Amaka, who I be?
It's trouble, oh. And I hope she makes that tea in her sober and sane mood.
I'm finished. Amaka, what do I do?
Just pray to whoever that will listen to your prayer to help you out of this matter.
Go get out of here.
I'm telling you my problems. They're telling me I pray to whoever will listen to me. That's the problem with you. Please. Not be nice.
Oma, come now. Oma!
Where is Oma?
She's coming.
Where is that girl called Oma? Oma! Oma! Where is Oma? Eh? Where is that girl called Oma?
What is it? Hey! Who prepared this?
Me.
Oma! Oma, come here. What happened? Who prepared this thing?
Your Highness, the princess did.
Why? Did I send the princess to prepare the tea? For me?
Your Majesty, I'm very, very sorry. I tried to dissuade her, but she insisted and she used the royal order to send me out of the kitchen.
Just look at you. No. Did you hear yourself? Igwe asked you to go and prepare tea for him and someone bypassed you. And you're here, princess here.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, it will never happen.
Don't worry, test it. Test it. No. Have a test of it. Test it.
Tea.
Pepper, salt, oil.
It's good you tested it. Yes, it's good you tested it. At least for you to taste what this stupid girl gave his father.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Look at you. I'll just go in there and beg Igwe on your behalf. Let me believe that he's going to forgive you.
Your Majesty, thank you very much. I'm very grateful. I will forever remain indebted to you and your family. Thank you.
You're still standing there smiling. Eh? You're still standing there smiling. Get out of my sight! Stupid girl.
I won't give you this. I know what you like.
You know you are stingy when it comes to...
No, I know what you like. I know your brand. I know your brand.
Just take it.
You know I have a son who will succeed me.
Speak it loud. Eh? Because already I know it.
Ago.
Yes.
Do you know that Awigwe is already confused?
And he will never be confused.
I believe that.
He'll never be confused.
You can say it again.
You know one thing, Once I become the king, I'll make you my own.
Eh? And both of us will run the affairs of this kingdom.
Look, there are things that are better not said than said.
Hey, wait. My daughter.
You're welcome, man.
You're welcome, eh? Keki, man.
Now you are conceived.
You can see I'm available now, very much available.
Nah. I say make I beg you. Make you go small pity for your mind here waiting I won't talk. I go make I see your Boko. But your boys, they push me away. Say make I come collect permit from you.
Okay. In what area can I help you? Where do I come in?
Be specific. Is it financially or on the healing aspect of the problem? Tell him.
This disease, you don't collect all the money where I get. I don't get money to pay. If you could.
Okay, you know the problem there, eh? There's a protocol that cannot be broken. Eh? Because that Oboko, you can see that his own condition is worse than yours. So all this in Choncho we collect, that's what we use to see if we can set him free. Okay?
So she has to go and look for money.
This in Choncho is, don't kneel for, don't do that. I'm not God. Listen to me. Can you listen? I'm not God. Go and look for the nchoncho. Save yourself this problem of crying. Redirect this energy and use it to get the nchoncho. Woman, listen to me. Go and look for the nchoncho, then you come back. Go and bring the money, eh? The nchoncho is very, very necessary. Eh? Yes.
Ago, you are very wicked. No, you are very wicked.
Am I?
So you harden your heart against the pleas and the tears of this poor woman you are seeing with the whole thing on her.
Never. The problem is if I don't carry on this way, this business will not be lucrative.
Oh.
I'm heartless.
Did you hear yourself? No, did you hear what you just said? So, your late brother's son's predicament has turned to be a lucrative business to you?
Never. Listen to me. Are you a Jew or a Gentile? Never. I thought you were my friend. Are you for or against me?
How can I be for you in a situation like this? The one I have seen with my eyes. I am not for you. I'm not for you. Hi!
Born again. When did you become a born again?
I will call me any name. Yes. Call me anything you like. But let me tell you, I am the only one in a position to tell you the truth. And the truth is that what you have done now to my own eyes is bad. It's wrong.
Born again.
You better change your angle. If you know that I will continue to be in your
born again. I'm born before. Me, I'm born before. Hypocrite. He will take first.
Wait, princess, wait. Oh!
Why are you treating us like this now, eh?
Hey. I want to dance, Yo-Yo.
No, you cannot see Oyo. We cannot allow you go there, princess.
Why?
Because it's against the king's instruction now. Please.
My princess, that man is not your type now. Eh? Why are you embarrassing yourself?
I want to go and see Oyo.
Princess, why are you doing this to me now? Do you want me to lose my job? Do you want us to lose our jobs? Please now.
Leave me.
Oh, no.
Leave me.
No.
Leave me.
No.
Leave me.
I said no.
I fight both of you with my 2 hands.
Hold the leg. Hold the leg. Hold the leg.
My princess. My princess.
Yes, my princess. I want to ask you a question.
know you can ask me anything. How will Obiom look in his My princess, I don't understand you. What do you mean, how he will look when he's on you? Obiom is a handsome man. Yes, he's a very handsome man.
I told you, Oboko as your husband, it's just a nightmare. And what you're thinking is not going to happen between you and...
I'm beginning to suspect you. Why is it that anytime I say anything about Oboko, you get upset? Do you want to marry him?
Light and darkness. I have nothing in common.
Enough! Enough! Don't touch my hair again.
Who is darkness?
Who is darkness? Who is darkness?
It's not you, my princess. No.
Who is darkness?
It's not you. No. It's not you, my princess.
Who is darkness?
It's me. It's not you, my princess. It's not you. My princess, it's not you. It's me. It's not you.
Who is... Princess. Oyam! What kind of life is this? 1 minute she's singing. The next minute, she's stuck raving mad.
I just pray that we wake up one morning and this insanity has left our princess.
And she's such a wonderful person in her sane and sober moments. Why would she want to marry my man?
Huh? I don't know. Junior. What do you?
Princess!
My princess, what is it? Why are you crying?
Maka called Oyom darkness. She called my husband to be darkness. Why will Amaka call Oyom darkness?
My princess, you don't need a prophet to tell you that Amaka is not far from the truth.
Are you part of the people conspiring against Oyom?
Oh, no, not at all. Come, let's go inside. There's something I want to show you.
Is Oyom inside?
Yes, and he wants to see you.
Oyom!
Papa. Papa. Oboko. Oboko.
And who is venturing into my tent?
Oboko. I beg, Nami. Help me, I beg.
What do you want? Iwoyara.
Oh yeah, I dey look for solution for this my condition, and I help I come fight for your hand. Maziaku say I must pay you before you heal me. I don't get money to pay you. Please help me. Now you be my last soul, please. Please. Please help me, please.
Go. Chukwu will heal you. Go.
Thank you. God bless you.
Don't thank me. Mad woman. Go. Mad woman.
Thank you.
Go.
You gonna heal me. Thank you. Chukwu go see again. You gonna heal me.
I will move this if I get Samuel. I don't get healing. God without you, they call you baby.
Hey. Focus.
Oh, now they block me.
Hold on for that.
Oh, now they block me now.
You think so you get sense, Abi? You think so you get sense? You carry our money run.
Which money? Una give me any money hope for now.
What's the worry yourself? What's the worry? You know no say for this country, nothing they go for nothing. You know no.
Look what how that one take be my business?
Now your business, oh. I say now your business because you no go come out here today until you pay healing money. Bam! Go punish you. Come on here.
No, na come out for road.
You think we are here to play?
Man of nose now. No, na come out for road now. If you don't
come here, we go. You like say that?
Hold on.
That man don't come. You don't come back. Back up for your head. They go with your man. Back up for your head.
Oboko. I can't worry, Oboko.
Why are you disturbing my peace? Can't you see I'm in a meeting with the President of the Federal Republic of Ghana?
Anyway, if that is true, then it must be with Arthur Mills and not Mahama. Anyway, that's by the way. I came so that we can discuss business like a family. I want you to acknowledge the fact that nothing goes for nothing. Our people don't deserve anything good. Their hearts are deceitful and desperately wicked. Oh, you're not saying anything. Huh?
Oh, so you can sing.
Sing? Hey, well, God gave you this gift of healing as an opportunity to enrich our family. Yes.
Enrichment. When will you get out of my house? Leave my house, you thief!
Me, thief? No. The thieves are stealing crude oil, looting government treasury, selling government property. Well, if you don't want to be collecting money, please stop spoiling this lucrative business God Almighty has arranged for us. And don't forget you are a mad man. You see, thank God I met you here. I was actually coming to your house. Congratulations. I learned you have been healed of that your ailment.
Yes, so as you can see me now, I did the bam. Yes. God really used that man to answer my prayer.
Oh, hallelujah.
Amen. Oh.
Hallelujah. Amen. Anyway, I wanted to come and collect the money.
I say, which money? Me and you will do any business. I
mean, the money for the healing.
Bia. Ago or waiting did they call you. I no one insult you. I no one insult you. Hey, hey.
I don't blame you. I blame the man who prayed for you and you received your healing. This is why you have the mouth now to insult me, isn't it?
It is everybody they like you. It is everybody they like you. Why no go insult you? Eh? Look, let me tell you. Wickedness. You know the pay. You know the pay at all. And let me tell you, this is your life. You better change this your life. Oh. If not, this God, you go judge you.
Will you come and pay? Hey. Will you come and pay for
Don't stop me on the road again and say make I give you money.
Will you come and pay for your healing?
Hey, no,
oh, you don't.
Hey,
if you don't bring... But you have not finished your contract.
What kind of contract are you talking about? Huh? See, make I tell you something. We no go ever go back to that place. You dey hear me so? We no go ever go back to that place unless you increase our pay. So you don't say the kind of risk where they involved for this job where you give us. You don't say they had us. You don't know?
Oh. Increase your pay. Shishi, Afu, and Nene, I will not ask to what I'm paying you. Yes! I'm even overpaying you people.
Iche. Okay, Iche. Now waiting they worry you, sir. I say now waiting they worry you. You know the kind danger when we dey pass through for the hand of that man. I dey ask you. If that guy kill us now, we don't march overboard. You go just sit down here, they enjoy all the fruits of our labor. Iche, make you focus, oh. Make you focus, Iche. Make you focus.
Ogasi, make I tell you something. They do as we talk and before, or else we go to Benya.
Oh yeah, come. Hey, chill now, chill. This thing is business, chill. You know what, give me some time to think about it. Then tomorrow, I will call you. Okay? Yes.
Is the question?
Yes. Just give me till tomorrow.
Anyway, no wahala, we go there wait.
Okay. Come with
Don't talk well now. We dey wait, oh. We dey wait, Iche.
Tomorrow.
And make it be like that. No wahala.
Hey, Chabrata boys. Ndị afịfịa na-esegu Igbo. Come and chop the fruit of your labor. Ndị iberibe. Oh!
Wait. Why are you disturbing me and my children? Why?
Children. Anyway, we came that you might heal this penge. He has radiculopathy, an ailment that was meant for presidents.
The moon is the king of darkness, while the sun rules over it. Which one do you want, sun or moon?
Anyway, you always see in double. Forget this moon and sun and attend to us.
And who are you?
Me? Hey, Ago, Ntishirong, civilian mopol with a scholastic degree, M. BBI, man, born before internet, from the University of Omorunjo. What else?
I'm Ingo, I will suck your blood.
Hey, when did you become a vampire?
Mazago, you are going to return back the money I paid you.
Which money are you talking about?
The money I paid you, of course.
Can I see the receipt? Can I see the receipt? Okay. What is this thing here?
What are you talking about?
What is this thing? I mean, it's clearly stated here.
You did not tell me anything.
Must everything be verbalized? Look at it here. No refund of money after payment.
Huh?
Yes. Is it my fault that you didn't go to school? Eh?
That's a lie. That is the biggest joke of the year. I will not take it from you.
You should be thanking God that the vampire did not devour us.
Let me tell you, my money will not spend more than today in your hand. I will come back for it. I will come back for it. I will come back for my money, oh.
I must come for my money. I must come for my money. I must come for my money. Hey. But you know, all these handicap, they never say die. And at times, big troubles can come in small packages. Look at the serious.
What do we do? What do we do? Everybody getting wahala. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
Okoko. Okoko. Okoko.
Again.
Okoko. Okoko. Greetings. See Okoko. I bring you bread and minerals. Make you take her. See me and my partner here. We won't make you join us. We won't make you our chairman. So make you take her. Oh, Coco!
I cut the head of chairman yesterday. What are you looking for in my palace?
Because you understand now. Take this bread, make it become our chairman.
I am Okpoko, king of the forest. Yes. No one goes to hell to see the devil. Leave my palace now.
Okpoko, you never wish like this now.
Wait!
Greetings, Your Highness.
Oh, greetings, Amma.
You sent for me, Your Highness.
Yes, I did. I want you to bring a stylist. Let her come with all her equipment. The Prince of Agbani Kingdom is coming tomorrow to ask for her hand in marriage. And I demand you do everything possible to make her look beautiful.
Your Highness, it's my duty to make the princess happy.
That's good. You may leave now.
Stop!
I don't know, ma. My queen, the moment she saw the hand dryer, she screamed and ran out from the house.
Princess, it's just a hair dryer. Eh? They're going to use it. Hey, it's okay, it's okay.
She wants to put fire on my hair.
Why are you behaving like this? Calm down. You know tomorrow our in-laws are coming. So you need to look beautiful. Eh? Please, come, let's go inside so that they will dry your hair. They will fix it then. Now, you know now. Adania, Adugo, Adenebe Jolo, Enenebe Jolunga, Enenebe Jolunga, Enenebe Jolunga. Oh yeah, go inside, go inside. She's coming. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Enenebe Jolunga, Enenebe Jolunga, Enenebe Jolunga.
Nobody no man. Nafesi what do we do? Nafesi what do we do? Nafesi what do we do? Everybody getting wild. Nafesi what do we do? Nafesi what do we do?
Hold my hand. They go like this. No, left leg. Put the left leg. Put the left like this. Don't right. Do like so, like this. Not like this. You stand straight, chest out. Good.
Oh, that's my daughter.
Your Highness. How do I look?
Take away. Sorry. Come on, how is she doing?
Oh, she's doing perfectly well, Your Highness.
Where is Amaka?
She went out with the Queen.
Went out with the Queen. My princess. Keep it up. Keep it up.
What are you doing?
I'm tired.
How can you be tired? We've not even started and you're already tired.
I'm tired. Must I climb on top of this mountain? I'm tired.
It's a mountain. You're funny. Calm down. Let's just do it. We just started.
Thank
Let's
you.
Finish.
I'm going inside when you're done.
Let's finish.
Nafesi what do we do? Nafesi what do we do? Everybody getting wild. Nafesi what do we do? Nafesi what do we do? Nafesi what do we do? Nobody no man. Nafesi what do we do? Nafesi what do we do?
My princess. My princess. Princess, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop now! What is it?
I want to remove this masquerade hair you people gave me to carry in the name of hair.
Sorry, please. Don't spoil the hair. Just wait. You can lose it tomorrow, not today, please.
It's my head, not yours.
I know it's your hair, but people are on their way to see you. Oh, yo. Ofoko.
True?
Yes. You're with the palace.
True to
God.
Hey! Hey! I don't get a lot, God win. I don't get a lot, God win. I don't get a lot, God win.
Some boy. Zigimo, 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 Zigimo. Emara, Iwanara, Ipiana, Iwanara, Itara, Iwanara. How be this? Yara Banco? Will you love me? Poor again.
That guy, I know say I'm mad, but my own madness, you know, reach your own. Madness fit you well. Bad guy. Why are you there mad?
My grandpapa, madman. My papa, mad. Me, some boy, madness inheritance.
Bad guy. Jesus go heal you. Yeah? No go mad here. Sound boy.
Kilo waka ko wibe.
Oyara. This rocket. Bye bye.
What you
go back, though.
What you doing? What did I carry? Hey, whoa! You don't hear me. You don't hear me, oh. Hey, my name is Nollywood.
You've been sitting down here for over 3 hours. Don't you know that they are almost here?
I'm waiting for Oyo.
See, if Oyogi comes and sees you sitting down here like this, do you think he'll be happy? Don't you know that you are the princess of this great kingdom?
Oyo will be happy to get here and see me sitting down here waiting for him.
Let's go inside. You can't just stay here like this. How can you stay here like this? Oh,
Mama. What is it?
Your Majesty, it's the princess. She's been sitting down here for over 3 hours.
My princess? Why?
I'm waiting for Oyo.
It's okay. Go inside. He will soon come. And he's going to come inside and meet you. Okay? Or my helper inside, okay?
Okay.
It's okay.
Enemy slain 1 down.
Now my heart to you, now my love for you. Anyhow we be, now my love for you, now my heart to you, now my love for you. Live on for me, now him I want to.
Who is there? Who is there?